Emergency Locksmith,
Dartmouth, Nova Scotia.
Emergency Locksmith near me.
Dartmouth.
If you need 24-hour lockout services, house lockout, car lockout, call Mr. Locksmith.
Dartmouth.
Mr. Locksmith
Dartmouth.
does commercial and residential services. House lockout, locked out, need keys, no problem. Key extraction, if you've broken the key to your house or your business, we can remove the broken key and make you brand new keys. Rekey locks, lock repair, locks rekeyed, lock change. Mr. Locksmith
Dartmouth.
there to help. You lost your keys to your mailbox? We can open your mailbox, repair it, replace it, give you brand new keys. Mr. Locksmith services all major locks and door locks for residential and commercial locks. Mr. Locksmith
Dartmouth.
is your complete locksmithing service. If you're locked out of your safe and you can't get in, we specialize in opening safes that you can't get open. Call Emergency Locksmith.
Dartmouth, Nova Scotia.